Yes, diving service here. That's therapy. This outboard was in the water when I started. I did out of the water. This anode, this bracket should be replaced before too long. Bottom paint, it's lacking on this boat too. When we get into summer, these are not going to stay clean very long. Definitely recommend either moving them or getting paint on them if you plan on trying to get another season out of them. Now let's take a look. It's very shallow here, so it's very murky. I think what I'd like to point out most on this one is you have a pretty significant dent in this pontoon here on the starboard side. I don't know if this is going to show up so well on the video, but that is a pretty